is for apple. Apple is red, shiny and juicy, the best to be fed. B is for banana, yellow and sweet, easy to peel, a fun treat to eat. C is for cat, soft and small, it loves to purr and chase the ball. D is for dog, loyal and true, it runs and jumps and plays with you. E is for elephant, big and gray, it splashes water and plays all day. F is for fish, it swims so free, gliding through the deep blue sea. G is for giraffe, so tall and neat, it loves green leaves for a tasty treat. H is for horse, fast and strong, it loves to run and neigh along. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet, melts so fast in the summer heat. J is for jelly, soft and bright, it wobbles and wiggles, what a sight. K is for kite, high in the sky, it twirls and dances way up high. L is for lion, brave and strong, with a mighty roar that's loud and long. M is for monkey, funny and quick, it jumps from branch to do a trick. N is for nest, safe and round, where tiny birds are sleeping sound. O is for owl, wise and bright, it hoots hoo-hoo through the night. P is for penguin, black and white, it slides on ice with great delight. Q is for queen, royal and fair, she wears a crown with golden hair. R is for rabbit, fast and sweet, it hops around on tiny feet. S is for sun, shiny and bright, it makes our day so full of light. T is for tiger, bold and fast, it stalks the trees and moves so vast. U is for umbrella, bright and new, it keeps you dry when raindrops fall too. V is for violin, soft and sweet, its music makes your heart beat. W is for whale, big and blue, it splashes waves for me and you. X is for xylophone, ding, 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 hear the music, the colors sing. Y is for yak, furry and strong, it walks through snow all day long.
Z is for zebra, stripes so neat, it runs so fast on dancing feet.
You learned A to Z, hooray, hooray! Let's learn more on another day.